Now we look at a concept today called a concept of permutation. Now the word permutation means arrangement of a number of objects in a specific order. That is, in this case, and under permutation, orderliness of an object matters. So permutation is a concept that has to do with arrangement of number of objects in a specific order. Order matters. That is, how can we arrange the numbers of objects in a specific order? For example, if we have A and B, so how can we arrange letters A and B in a specific order, in an orderly manner? So what we do is that we draw a tree diagram. So diagram like a tree. So we have it in this form and in this form. We want to know number of ways which letter A and B can be arranged. So we put A here and we put what? B here. Then also it can also be formed in this way. We have B here and also we have what? We have A here. So let's see now. Here is A and here is B. So the result of this now will be A, B. Then here is B, here is A. The result will be what? B and what? And A. That means we have the first one and second one. So that means the sum total of arrangement of letter A and B is seen as AB and BA. So that means A and B can be arranged in what? In the first way. This is the first one. The second one. So it can be arranged in two ways. Therefore, the permutation of A and B, or arrangement of A and B, is in what? Is in two ways. So we have A and B to be arranged in this way as AB and what? And BA. Therefore, AB can be arranged in two different ways. So in the next video, we are looking at how can we arrange A, B, and C in different ways. Thank you.